First, you'll remove the faceplate. Next, you'll unmount each of the switches. Next, you'll disconnect the wires from each of the switches. Next, what we'll do is we'll connect each of the wires to our iotty switch, starting by pulling out the neutral bundle and connecting the neutral wire, the white wire of the iotty, to the neutral bundle. Tugging to ensure a firm connection. Next, we'll start with the far right switch. Far right switch is RL3. We also need to power the switch itself, so we'll take L and one of the RL3 wires and connect it to the far right power. Give a full firm pull to ensure everything is snug. Next, we'll take the remaining RL3 wire and connect it to the load on the right side. After we complete wiring the right side, we'll move to the middle. The middle is RL2. You'll connect one of the RL wires to the load and one to the line. We'll start by connecting it to the line, which is the power. Once connected, tug firmly to ensure a good connection. Next, we'll take the second RL2 wire and connect it to the middle load. Tugging to ensure a firm connection. Finally, we'll wire the far left switch. That's the RL1 wires. We'll connect the first RL1 wire to the power or the line on the far left side. Tug to ensure a firm connection. We'll take our final wire, the remaining RL1, and connect that to the load wire on the far left side. And tug to ensure a firm fit. Once you've tucked the wires in, we can mount the iotty switch. The final step is to attach the glass faceplate.